And a happy Monday, everybody. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. Thanks so much for being with me and checking out the weather with me today. Oh, what a mess. What a muggy day on the coastline of North and South Carolina as it's moving up into Virginia. As you can see on the satellite picture, it's going to be a mess with soaking rainfall and that chance of maybe some flash flooding over eastern North Carolina. Cool and damp conditions for the northwest, as we see right over in the area here. Looking like you might get some drier conditions and warming temperatures in the Great Lakes region. See, you're looking pretty good there. Might even warm up a bit. But it is awful chilly, especially along the coastlines here. My temperature is like 66 degrees this morning, and I'm going to struggle if I even see 70 or 72. Might not even get there. Quite different from what weather usually is this time of the year. Anywhere from 15 to 20 degrees cooler than normal. Now, we do have a chance of some severe weather possible today, too, in the northern plains, along with ongoing summer heat for you folks, and we could have some severe thunderstorms pop up that might be severe in Georgia, and that critical risk of fire weather is still continuing in the Great Basin and the Four Corners region. Stick around, I got this and a whole lot more coming up. Right quick, so far as tropical weather goes, looks like nothing in the next 5 days should come about. Further in the month, I'm watching a system that's coming off of Africa down here. I don't know if it will do anything or not. Probably not, but I wouldn't let my guard down. I'll keep my eyes on it and let you know. But that's later on in this month. Right now, tropical weather's looking pretty stable. Rain, rain, and more rain, my friends, especially down around the South Carolina border and the North Carolina border of the coastlines here. Look, in North Carolina, where I live, I could get 5 to 8 inches of rain. 5 to 8 inches of rain. This rain's going to spread through. Got some rain coming over in the northwest, too. So this map is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. It's the NAM map. What should happen for the next 3 days. And it looks like we got this stall frontal boundary. It's draped along the Carolina coast and a cut-off upper level low over the eastern Ohio Valley. They're going to work in tandem to make the first half of this week a wet one in the southeast. Yes, rain, rain, and more rain. Now, heaviest rain totals through Wednesday morning are forecast to be over eastern North Carolina, where some places inland will get 3 to 5 inches, and like I just told you, I could get even higher amounts where I live. Now, the combination of the elevated moisture content is deep convection and overly saturated soil that makes the recipe for flash flooding. We need to watch that, folks, especially if you live along low-lying areas or on the coast near the water. Now, this risk area for excessive rainfall in eastern North Carolina will be producing this. And in addition to all the heavy rain, overcast skies, and onshore upslope flow should force temperatures to be considerably cooler than normal, like I've been talking about. And parts of the southern mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas may have a tough time getting even into the low 70s, both today and tomorrow. Now, I know if you have arthritis, you're going, oh me, Joel, but that's what it's looking like. Now, when we move to the northwest, we also have contained its own stretch of cool and dreary weather over in the northwest. It's got its own, and that's thanks to a pair of upper-level disturbances tracking overhead. Now, precipitation will fall primarily in the form of rain, but some snow could fall in the northern Rockies and the Cascades due to this considerably cooler temperatures. Now, precipitation total should range somewhere between 1 to 2 inches for you folks, and that's because of it's in a favored upslope area. Now, farther east, high temperature, or high pressure, I should say, is in control of the Great Lakes to the northeast, and that's going to keep you guys dry. And your temperatures on the seasonally cooler side again today, but by tomorrow, you guys should start to warm up some. Now, stuck in between these cooler temperature regimes is upper level ridging over the northern plains, and it builds into the Midwest through the entire first half of this week. And that's going to cause hot conditions to take shape. Hang in there. It's going to warm up, okay? Severe thunderstorms possible in the upper Midwest this afternoon ahead of a weakening frontal boundary. And it's looking like the next round of severe weather will arrive in the northern high plains tomorrow as a new area of low pressure develops over the region. Meanwhile, the southwest, the Rockies, and the south central high plains remain marred in a pattern favorable for enhanced fire weather. This fire weather is serious, folks. These conditions will be prolonged with the gusty winds, the low humidity, and the drier than normal conditions. And you could have an isolated diurnal thunderstorm. That's possible over the southern Rockies, but little in the way of the beneficial rainfall that is expected to help with this critical fire conditions that's going on. It won't be much help at all. That's a quick check of everything. Let's go check out severe weather just for today. Okay, my friends, we do have a chance of some severe weather. Looking like isolated severe storms is possible across parts of northeastern North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. Now, these storms should start to pop up late this afternoon, and they will probably continue through this evening, say in the early hours of nighttime. Now, we do have a couple of strong storms possible with the risk for small to marginally severe hail and gusty winds that's possible across northern and central Georgia, as you can see right here. So you guys got a chance for maybe some small hail, medium-sized hail, and some gusty winds, as well as other portions of the nation. For the most part, most of you are looking very, very good today with clear skies. When it comes to tornadoes, small percent chance just up in Minnesota, a little bit of northeastern North Dakota at 2%. Probability of gusty winds is going to be down here in Georgia again at 5%, and in Minnesota and North Dakota, and that chance of hail also. But it's looking like conditions is more favorable for the hail to actually happen if it does materialize down in Georgia today. So be aware and keep your eyes on your skies, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. Stay safe if you're in all this rain. Don't forget, flash flooding could occur. Lots of rain coming on the coastlines of South and North Carolina, possibly up into the Norfolk, Virginia area. If you run across a large flooded area on the road, please don't drive through it, okay? Thanks for watching, sharing, everything you do for me. I love you so much. Have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. And may each of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your lives today. Thank you so much for watching.